こんな大きなダイヤモンド見たことないです。バナン、サランバナン、ハレバナン。カドトドリオ、ハレカレカヤンヘコドリオ。
First of all, go to the website called remove.bg. Upload your Gacha character image here. Then download it after the background has been successfully removed. Next, open the CapCut app. Create a new project. Tap Stock Videos. Then add this transparent background image. Change the background to white by opening the Canvas menu, selecting the color option, selecting white, then reducing the size of this transparent image and dragging it until it is invisible. Next, add the Kuru Kuru audio trend, which you can get in the comments below. Then, adjust the length of the white background according to the duration of the audio. The next step, open the sticker menu, tap Add Sticker, then import your Gacha character image. Split your image at the 4th second. Then for the first image, open the animation menu, tap the loop option, select the jiggle effect, then set the speed to 0.5 seconds. For the second image clip, give it a loop animation effect called Flip 2. Then set the speed to 0.7 or 0.8 seconds. And done! Now, you can save your Kuru Kuru trend video if you like the results. Okay guys, that's all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.